you will see here, YouTube has already did that automatically. You will see here, plays automatically, which has already done by YouTube. But no, I want to do it by myself, where my art break will take place and where my viewers, they will enjoy the video. So you will click this place that said art break, and people, welcome back again to another beautiful day. You want to control where the art appear in your YouTube video? In this video, I'm going to take you step-by-step guide, and we will show you how you can place your art manually in your end-stream art. In the video like this, you can be able to place your art on your video inside your stream art by placing art according to the point that you need. So in today's video, we are going to work with this video, which I'm going to click in this place, and I'm going to show you the surface of a YouTube channel. So we are going to work on monetization parts today, because I want to show you how you can place your art manually. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because this update is going to increase your revenue effectively. And also, you will use this tool in a powerful way effectively for a better monetization tool. Let's get started if you are ready. So now you will go to your monetization site and click your monetization. This is the monetization phase, and I want to review my placement, which is art. On display sometimes is automatic art, but I want to place an art where my viewers can feel comfortable and also have a moment for them to enjoy the content without distracting anything. Now I will click review the placement. So now you will see here, YouTube has already did that automatically. You will see here, plays automatically, which has already done by YouTube. But no, I want to do it by myself, where my art break will take place and where my viewers, they will enjoy the video. So you will click this place that said art break. And yes, guys, in this way, you can be able to place your art in the point that you want your viewers to have experience, while they maximize your art revenue, because that is the point here. One thing you need to do is to click the first ad. First ad is very, very important for every content creator. When your video starts, should place ad. If you can look here, it says if you choose to manually place your ad break, because now we are doing this one manually ad break, right? Before it was automatic. If you remove it like this, it's automatic. So if you click add, now is a manually add, okay? So you can place it in a place you want and also in the point you want your viewers to watch. What I always do, I click it from 0 point, and then again I will take it a little bit to 3 minutes. At least from 0 point to 3 minutes, my viewers can enjoy the video till 3 minutes. Then again, I will add another extra ad. Now, I will also look again, and where can I place another one is 6 minutes. After gap of 3 minutes of enjoying the ad, then again, I will add another ad break for them to join in 6 minute time. So you need to click it. This arrow, when it comes like this, when this arrow shows, it means that is the place that you want to place the ad. Now, because I clicked this one times 2 before, it show double. So I just need to remove one. So it will show just one click, which is one ad, 3 minute, one ad. So now, number 3, which is 6 here, I'm going to add another one. And you can see the ad is already added. And the last is the end of the video. The end of the video is very important for you to add the ad. And when you are done like this, example, if you have 1 hour video, please you place your ad accordingly to how you want your viewers to enjoy the moment or enjoy watching your video. Do not put so much ad, so close ad. Example, when you put so close ad, viewers actually will not enjoy watching your video. Rather, they will be experiencing the ad pop up every time. So I don't do that. Let me take another video. Example, a video which is more than a minute. This is 11-minute video. So I will go to my YouTube analysis, which is YouTube monetization. Then I will click review. So as you guys can see, in that 11-minute view, 11-minute video, I only place 5 ads. Why? Because I click 0 point, which is the beginning, then 3 minutes, which is the next, then the third one, which is 6 minutes, and then the fourth one, which is 8 minutes, and then the last one, which is 11 minutes. So that is so good. So let's go also and check on our live stream. How did we place ads on our live stream? Now, example, this is a live stream which is 54 minutes. Now let's click 54 minutes. Click inside the ad monetization site. When you go to monetization, you click your revenue and place review, and as you can see here, first you will put 0.0, then the next you adjust it here, it will immediately go to 3 minutes, and then 8 minutes, 15 minutes, and 18 minutes. So those are the ads that I place manually, okay? But if you want to place it automatically, then you place automatic. Immediately YouTube will put any place they want. But if you do in this way, your revenue will increase and you will enjoy the benefit of ad end stream on your video. Thank you so much, my beautiful people. I believe that you guys have watched this video, enjoyed this video, and please don't forget always to subscribe. If you love this video, it's a time for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also be excited to be a part of our video. Subscribe, like, share, and for more detail, in case we bring another new update regarding this. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Stay tuned, stay blessed for more updates like this for your YouTube channel to grow as a new content creator. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye for now. See you again in my next video. Bye.